Mbia mono sana umwanchi umuleweta seni kia Ndizi TV nendene birobinde tokumena na SMS ya Amayia elinde ngumanye na reabereka gokolekana akora chingongo chansi inye chinse asinse mo chiche mitandao asinse mo ya Facebook na bokwenda gutubwatia gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital na bega asinse media YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asinse mo ya website na bokatanya gwetera www.ndizitv.net iritere Fridah Kerubo nolio kaeneke una chibichani liogire wikira sole asenchira ya bene nere Abigail Nyanchama toska tonyegera gwira nturasegeke Kerubosio elinde tokomanye amange. Manche murigere yango kwaligani bene linde tobeto gusanga asubwamo gochaka bonoiga goika omoelio Amayia yebire bigani otuko yachaka korase county ya Nyamira asengo kumenya buna omoyega bokumoenia Nyagusira Benson Kegoro ningogenda teko kolekana asensemo ya menyenya abarayikuru asensemo nigo baba goikirana asomoyegoyo gati yabo omuraibe kyamagia ODM Raila Odinga yokabeire omugavana we county ya Kakamega Wycliffe Oparanya mugavana we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo umuseneta Okongo Mugeni umuseneta we county ya Kisii Richard Onyonka nabaigo umubunge oborabu Patrick Osero Nyagusira nigabete umubunge o West Mugrango nabaigo mukansela ase wodi ya Mutagara okwana yokabeire omukonyi bo mugavana ime county ya Kisii Josh Mangi nigabaga gakurwa engora ya bene guchia ase ya mate Nyagusira nabaigo kweneke na Nyagusira nigalinge omorai obwate chimbwa chingia.
I'm a friend of this family. I first met Mr. Kerubo at the University of Nairobi when we joined the University with the church way back in 1988, and he had come to see George Kerubo at the university. That is the kind of parent he was. He would come to see his child at the university. We became friends, and he adopted me, or rather I adopted him as my father. He has guided us through. We became great friends with George. Later on, George became my best man when I was getting married. But unfortunately, when George was getting married, his beautiful wife, I was away, so I didn't enjoy the privilege of also being the best man to George. But George, thank you for being a very wonderful friend in my life. You have been very useful, and your family has been very close to me. Paul, for losing a wonderful, wonderful father. Let me also speak on behalf of the classmates of George. I'm also speaking on behalf of the classmates of George, the class of 1991, law school, and we're quite a number. The class is led by none other than our Solicitor General, Shadrach Amose, who was supposed to be here this morning, but he's traveling out of the country. And George, he told him to come and tell you, Paul Sana, you know he was with us in Nairobi, and he would have loved to be here, but he's away. So kwa niaba ya Shadrach Amose, Solicitor General, kwa niaba ya all your classmates, na kwa niaba ya familia yangu, on behalf of my wife Stella, who has a lot of respect for you, tumekuja hapa, tunasema pole na pole sana ndugu yangu. Asante sana na Mungu awabariki.
Umutakano wa aska ogech nigale nekia kwegokeria magayo musamario yomogwe soke bene aserieta Captain Elijah Simwamu nabaigo kumwagachira enyumba. Umutakano yo nigakorokora sekenyorogia omonono ekegotoka ase wodi ya Kyabonyoru nigabwate abana batano nomo ase bane gati yabana bo babwate omuchando obwobongo. Kunda bamenye benseme yo nigo babere bagwe soke bene nabaigo gokogokera egetambo kirikyo asebaganire Captain Elijah kogenda no moyo yo bogokonya abantu bangabunabo ase binyoro.
tukaranga mbia gwetru mushimiwa captain Simwamu Elijah komokonya asokwa gache nyomba senge tobati nyomba bana bati nyomba abamete nyomba yemo na abana baye babira abantu abanene bamura
Kogechi. Mimi nashukuru sana mnakuja kunisaidia nyumba ile tunapita kula ningi, hakuna mtu ya kusaidia, lakini yule anaendelea kusaidia mimi, watoto yangu iko na ugonjwa.
Abwate sita lakini abana bane bale mentally disabled. Igobono mbali konyara kwa gacha. Igobono tukumwakira mbia mono asengenja nyarira kokonya umuntu nyolire nyumba asa abana bae bararale. Na ndi igotokonyire buna intu ase village yo monono. Juntu ale konyara gasi yeye. Lakini bono ochire otokonyire. Oyo nyasa umutumire. Igobono tekenya saa mokonya naenda musesene naenda agendere kokonya na abande banga aska ogechi.
Atasaidia, ataendelea kujenga, kila mwezi atakuwa anajenga nyumba moja moja within the constituency. Pia amepromise another thing, kuna wale wanafunzi wenye walifanya mtihani wa class 8 kama walipata 350 marks next year, ataweza saidia awanunulie box na a little bit of shopping ndo waende shule wasome. Pia amesema mambo ya talent, as from next year atakuwa anaangalia sana kupromote talents within the youths.
Bunge okitutu cha cheno Jafeth Nyakundi nigagendete no murubiri obugusira abasaye anmono ase bunge yo litkoli goro nigabete kagosyolia omupira wingose enkoyo asensemo yabasaye asukoronerege kombe imiye bunge ya kitutu cha cheno asabetega kwena na chi uniform nabo igo emipira okwana niga nekirubune inenchereyemo yogotanga abasaye goso ase obusalia anmono aso butumeki webinyegwa byogotindia
injenda giteba swegeti bakomupira na rero naena nire chi uniform naena nire mepira naena nire chi pump naena nire chi socks esenge jonta getabana baito bakomupira mbachi gosoa amangane changa osamangana mariobo osebintu binde nimaete bone gato siegete chi school abana baito no bareisika abayibori tigatorenda abana baito esengenza abana bwa barayi bamambya eyore buya gosere bobe ere buya gosere bobe
ege kurege tindi nigo kyaberege kurwegwa gocha ase aba MCA bekyamagia UDA abo batali kubwatia amachiko nabo igo kubwatirana nabamerane babo ani gabetega kwene kigwa no mulikyo monene bekyamagia UDA Cleophas Malala asabeirega kwene kebnali tkolya Jumatatu mbabe bagotwara ege ikaro ase barachikurwa ege susuro gocha ase aba MCA bekyamagia UDA abo batali kubwatia amachiko.
Kwa masuala ya UDA, wewe ndio kiongozi wa kwanza kupigania rais. Mimi nafurahia hapa Kisii, out of 6 MPs hapa Kisii mlitupatia MPs 4. Mimi nashukuru, ningependa kutambua pia uwepo wa UDA MCAs wetu ambao wamekuja hapa leo. Tunasema kwamba wale UDA MCAs, mimi kama katibu mkuu Jafeth nimekasirishwa kidogo na MCAs wengine wa hapa Kisii. Wanasahau kwamba wako katika chama tawala. Hao tena wamejiunga na watu ambao wanapiga rais vita. Tungependa kupeana onyo kwa wale MCAs ambao wamejiunga, wako kwa chama cha rais na mchana wanatembea na watu ambao wanapiga rais vita. Tukirudi ofisini Jumatatu, tunaenda kuanzisha nidhamu kwa wale ambao wanapinga party leader wetu hapa Kisii. And that I'm saying with a lot of affirmation.
Omokonyi bomurai bwense Rigathi Gachagua kubwatana gati abaraikurwa semo ya Kenya Kwanza nigo baba gwikirana ime county ya Samburu ase gusanga nabamenyi bensemeyo okwana Gachagua niga bagakurwa igikure gitindi gochia ase abasagani naboigo abaibi betugo abakorire nsemo ya Samburu koborwa no Molembe okwana nigo boigo aenekya kubwatana abaraikurwa sensemeyo asengencho yogotinya obolendi.
Mambo ya usalama. Tumekubaliana na viongozi pale Luruko Police Post. Hawana gari, wanatembea kilomita mingi sana, askari wanaumia. Na kwa hivyo nimemwambia Inspector General of Police atayarishe gari ya Luruko Police Post na kuja kusaidia. Mimi nimesikia mko na shida. Rais wetu alikuja hapa na akaongea. Na akamwambia nyinyi wale walaghai wale wakora wamujaribu. Si aliwaambia? Akatuma vijana. Walinyorosha wako nyorosha. Huyo rais kuna bali ameenda. Si ni yeye tu. Sio vijana wako tu. Kuna bahali wako si wako tu area hii Kenya. Wacha mimi niseme namna hii. Sisi kuna mambo hatuwezi kubali. Hii mambo ya wizi wa ng'ombe imepitwa na wakati. It is outdated cultural practice. Mambo ya kuua Mkenya mwingine ni mambo ambayo hawezi kubalika. Mambo ya kuua watoto ni mambo hawezi kubalika. Mambo ya kuhangaisha wamama ni mambo hatuwezi kubali.
Chinga kiechio boigo nigo Gachagua aburire bamenyi bensemo ya Samburu kweneke bwanango bwatesia bale serikali so kwenekia amagenderero amatuko abosio okwana nigo abaga kweneke bwananigo bochori bwabete bokwera ase airera emirobelio yo kweneke bwana obochori bwo mwaka bwekiri bubere 2022 gokolekana bule boikerano chinga kiechio boigo nigo abaga komochia abamirani baye aso gotaikerania amagendero ime Nsemeli ya Samburu na onyamagega yogwakirwa chikora.
Sisi tumefungua milango kwa kila mtu. Sisi tumesema uchaguzi umeisha. Tumekaribisha kila mtu akuja kwa serikali ya William Ruto tufanye kazi pamoja. Kwa sababu wao wananchi waliamua. Na wananchi wakishaamua maneno imeisha. Sisi hatuna ugomvi na mtu yeyote, hatuna shida na mtu yeyote, hata wale walitupiga, walituumiza, hatufuati mtu yeyote. Sisi tumesema kila mtu akuje Kenya ni moja, tusaidiane. Lakini hiyo maneno ya Azimio imekwisha. Na hiyo bahali watu ya Samburu msirudi hapo tena. Hiyo ni giza. Hiyo ni kitu imepitwa na wakati. I'm telling you. Na mtakuja kuniambia. Kufanya makosa sio mbaya. Makosa ni kufanya nini? Nyinyi watu ya Samburu. 2007 mkapoteza kura yenu mkaweka msituni. 2013 mkaweka msituni. 2017 mkaweka msituni. 2022 mkaweka msituni. 2027 mtaweka msituni tena. Sasa wewe hata ukiwa wewe ni mkulima wa mahindi, ukipanda mwaka huu haimei, unapanda mwaka ujao haimei, unapanda mwaka wa 3 ya 4, si unabadilisha unapanda maharagwe? Msirudi kufuata maneno ambaye ni maongeo tupu. Hao watu hakuna kazi wamefanyia Samburu. Hakuna harambee ya kanisa, hakuna harambee ya shule, hakuna nini. Ni kuja tu kuongea tu. Nyinyi mnawapatia kura. Wanaenda after 5 years ndio wanarudi. So sisi tutakaa na nyinyi hapa.
Umuraibekia magia dab Kenya Eugene Wamalwa nigo alire irago tuguterale okubolya gwa serikali ya Kenya kwanza ase okonia amagacho ye serikali okwana nigo ayenekiribuna gosiko kwana asomoro belyo berego koleta amo abarikorwa sensemo ya Western nigo aerera ogotaisanika kwae kubwatkana no roboti oruwa betero kubwat kwa bwangoiga kwatkana ni chingwana cyo kuigwana ekichaba chigokorekana ase ayenekibuna tibabeti bakumurikira amangana yengencho.
You can see the ugly head of corruption rearing in our midst. We can see the privatization of key national assets, including a national monument like KICC. Surely, if you sell KICC, then you could as well sell State House itself. You could as well sell Kenya Airways. And I believe, just the way we've challenged the others, this is one issue that is going to be challenged by the brave new bar that is here. but also as political leaders. As Azimio, we've spoken about this. I've just come from Western, and we've taken a stand that we are going to challenge this. And we also want to say the bad laws that have been passed by Parliament are contributing to this, because the privatization law itself, where you can privatize national assets without the oversight of Parliament, that is a
Ababwatani kora sensemo ya Supreme Council of Kenya ni goba bulire serikali kweneke mnango twara bale enkwana iyo kuigwana asebaganira abantu kubekwa irinde kumulikera obocholi bwabetebo gukolekana aso mwaka w'ekirubere emerongebere nebere aso gukora okongusanana okukogendete kwenekigwa asamachibwa ali abete gakubwatika boigoni goba beire bakugania amangana akumulikerwa animono ogokonga kubogima asibaganire amaguri y'ebintu abega kwiyiriwa.
So the Supreme Council of Kenya Muslims insists on the following concrete steps to reduce the cost of living as a matter of justice. Reduction of VAT on petroleum products by 50%, that is from 16 to 8%. Scrapping of the affordable housing levy, the court cases notwithstanding. Reduction of road maintenance levy by 5 shillings per litre from the current 18 shillings per litre to 13 shillings per litre. Reduction of petroleum development levy by 50%. Zero rating of VAT on basic food items. We all know that zero rating is better than tax exemption because zero rating will encourage local value addition, thus promoting the Made in Kenya brand. Revert the turnover tax to levels in Finance Act 22. All of us are now aware that the new turnover tax is very punitive and has virtually led to the closure of very many small and medium enterprises. As the Supreme Council insists on the foregoing measures to reduce the cost of living, we however welcome the following proposals as contained in NADCO report. All arms of government to reduce their travel budgets by 50%, and that the Salaries and Remuneration Commission review daily subsistence allowances.
Abanyagitari gwetera ekyombe ya KMPDU ni go bagosereire kogenda omugiro onye ekirero kyabo tikegotegererwa okwana omurayo munene bw'ikyame yose bw'ikyombe kyo Daji Atela nigo ayenekiribna chi county inye gati yabo Kilifi, Nakuru, Embu amana Kajiado nigo amagani yabo atanyagotegererwa asechi wikibere kirebosyo barachigochaka omugirobo.
When the union we have noted with concern that about 5 counties, the doctors there are tired, and the more tired of the frustrating events that the county has deliberately decided not to implement on their rights. These counties, some already started the strikes. We have the county of Vihiga. The doctors are frustrated and unable to offer services. There are no drugs, there are no equipment, and they have never in a long time seen any promotions. They just dream it.
Nchemulirere akorwa sorbotiruni ona ikire omoelio bwa mangana meya asibirebiga kolende toska tonyegerage kuraga ensa eyemono chikumiranere amisi Josephat ase amangi nabakwenda utubwatia sinsemo chichi mitandao asinsemo ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabiga sensemeri ya YouTube wetera Ndizi TV News asinsemo ya website nabakotonya wetera www.ndizitv.net magech kamera asoko nikebna ebichana bageliogi yakwikira sole asenchira ya bene nere Abigail Nyanchama ilitrene Fridah Kerubo kenda gutwara obulgeria obiyeme gitaseni kya Ndizi TV.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'Gusii. kwikira bono ayebunu mwagachi kwa manyire duka okugenda kujya ibintu byose biri gukorera imirimo yawo. Osmo Traders Limited nigo babwate kitali cyokwaranse ase nyumba yawo nabo igogobeka sinyasi bune babu egikoni living room nabo igo ekikobe kwesiko babwate sanitary wares ubuna Kisii kibakurichete cyo cyonsi showers, towel holders, soap dishes, racks, mirrors na hand basins. Chirangi chonsi chiriya chikuburukanibwa ne computer nabo igo chiriche spray paints no chire mbabwate chipboard buna chips and boards, MDF boards na chip boards. Ebinto au byo gukora plumbing buna PVC joints, PVC pipes na chi water taps chonsi no chire boigo na bokugura chi curtain rods, hood screws, chingulu chonsi, door locks, chi pipe wrench spanners, screwdrivers, banyore, old Sansura building, angena Kisii main bus stage, gusua Kisimi, ase namba, enoti sano nebire, eye mokianda, inye isano, enoti inye isano nemo. Osmo Traders Limited, customer satisfaction guaranteed. Gochakira umutinyi 12 ime ya Ndizi TV
ime na isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii abasubati nabange bakora emeremo eri kageire ko banero yabasacha
tonya konya mataro musojo kaende musojo
nigo turatarira abasubati abaiga eri kumanya ninki gekogera bakora emeremo yiga eyo kageire ko bana yabasacha umera na nche Dorcas kemuma asomo rebo mukungustengo eri nkomanye amange kerali tukoria Jumatatu Chinsa ibere chama baba ime ya Ndizi TV editumumanye omukungustengo ningo
Womukungustengo Jumatatu Chinsa ibere chabo tuko na Dorcas kemuma. Gochakira umutinyi 12 ime ya Ndizi TV
ime na isiko yorogongo rwa Gusii abasubati nabange bakora emeremo eri kageire ko banero yabasacha
tonya konya mataro musojo kaende musojo
nigo turatarira abasubati abaiga eri kumanya ninki gekogera bakora emeremo yiga eyo kageire ko bana yabasacha umera na nche Dorcas kemuma asomo rebo mukungustengo eri nkomanye amange kerali tukoria Jumatatu Chinsa ibere chama baba ime ya Ndizi TV editumumanye omukungustengo ningo
Womukungustengo Jumatatu Chinsa ibere chabo tuko na Dorcas kemuma. Laboratory ya Dynapath nige bwate evidenko byeigoro byobokoreri bokorenka marwaire bagotumia technology yekerero nechi machine chekerero gwetera sobokoreri bwabo bya nigo bancheire nekeombe ya Kenya Medical Laboratory Tech and Technologist Board iliyokurwa bokoreri yobwo
sango nguru kuna unarega kama elaptech Dynapath Laboratories itari itomunya atori to kurida marwiri na malaria kuri tori sukari to blood pressure kupima tori kidneys kupima tori liver function test zonse laboratory
nkuru barobokorera buna microbiology, clinical chemistry, hematology, cancer screening, histopathology abo igokorenka amarwiri buna HIV, brucellosis gose oburwiri bw'amabere, arthritis na yandamange boigon korenka bare omubere bwensi asamarwiri buna prostate cancer asamange batalire imeyo muchobosongo asamagacho asansora complex center of Capital Roundabout angena National Bank kusoba kiresimi.
Majali afya yako, usigonje kuungua ndiposa ututembelee.
Dynapath Laboratories,
a legacy of excellence.
Nyamaka Multi-Handling Services yekubwatrana nensemo y'obulimi obutugi bwetugo ne Chinswe yeserikali ye county ya Nyamira nige gokolentera amorokerio y'umwaka bw'ekiri bwibere ne 2023 a Agricultural and Trade Exhibitions and Family Fun Fair ebyogusukia bosyo ebirenka bye manifesto ye county ya Nyamira by'obulimi manufacturing trade for sustainable economic growth egati yali oranyororo nobokoreri bw'ekibengi ao chikampani ao chokorokereria iguru yamangana y'obulimi bwensi buli bwanchete kuligereria iguru yebyegwa gose talents n'ekigosori ky'abana amarokereria yo nigarakorekane guchakira ritukuria Jumatano kitariki 5 goika kitariki 10 cy'umutinyi 12 ase skuru y'oburuso ya Nyamira DEP yere kimite niye muchuka kurwa stage nene y'Kigali imeye town ya Nyamira bono iliuko manyamange iguru y'amorokereria yo buna konyora libaga iliyo nayo boyo mobo akesimi ase namba inoti 52 ibere yemo isanonemo ibere inoti 53 isanonemo kianda gose inoti 52 isano 52 nye inoti maragatatu eyemo gose inoti 52 inye yemo isato isano kianda ibere isato inye gosobari kireri uko guchiase Eric Makanga 01@gmail.com Boigo mbabwateri baga ryukwege kachigari utari wakanera iryogosoa asa morokereria yo abanta banene nigo bagwakana shilingi 150 na boigo abane 100 yoka agira bwango bwenyorere ribaga na boigo gwikira nororo asa matukayo iryubwe manyamange na boige mirobiri bekire iryogosukabushi Spexels Opticians abubale si kliniki kiagudika imeyo muchukisi nkuru wabare bokoreri ao asamangana ya maiso nako ni birole magiga yogo korenga na kumanyumu chandu.
Kwa majina naitwa Daktari Sigei, karibuni sana Spexels Opticians Kisii Town. Hapa tunapima macho tukitumia mashine za kiteknolojia za kisasa bila malipo. Tunauza miwani, frames na lenses tofauti na tunakubali kadi za bima.
Chiframe guchakira chishilingi chimia isano neiseto nemeronge 5 na boiga setingima ase chishilingi elweyemo ne chimia isano ase ofa babuate etaraera.
Milango yetu iko wazi kutoka Jumatatu mpaka Ijumaa kutoka saa 2:30 mpaka saa 11 jioni na pia Jumamosi kutoka saa 2:30 mpaka saa 10 jioni.
Nigo bale angene supermarket ya Shivling na KCB Bank imeyo muchukisi na boko bakiresimi ase namba enoti eyemo enoti isano marakabire enoti eyemo. Spexels Opticians, Good Car Clinic, macho bora kwa wote. Egera kogendie gari na Sunshine Driving School abuba nchirini kiumbigia NTSA wago tumeke curriculum ya NTSA instructors babo nigobare certified chigari chikolire maintenance wija nigoba kurwa basic mechanics mbabu ate birasi bia maambia na boigo bia maragoba nkwegelia bale A2 chipigipigi B1 light vehicle C1 light truck na D1 passenger PSV na wakana ngora boigo mbabuate refresher course na license endorsement onyigo tagete kwegera weekendi mbabuate birasi nigo bare omuchubo sungo Gusii Dulux building lirongoli tangani opposite Zonic Hotel Chinsa yechinde ngamona Nyamarambe na Kenyanya na boko bakresime asikina mbechi. Sunshine Driving School, we fulfill your dreams. Unahitaji shule ya kileo kwa mwanao atakayopata elimu ya viwango vya juu. Hurricane Academy wana viwango vyote vya madarasa kuanzia ECDE, CBC na Junior Secondary School. Pia wana mabweni kwa wanafunzi wanaotoka mbali. Wana maeneo ya wanafunzi kuchezea, madarasa ya kutosha. Wanafunzi wanapata mlo shuleni, maji masafi ya kunywa na magari ya kusafirishia wanafunzi. Sio hayo tu, Hurricane Academy inapeana scholarship kwa wanafunzi mayatima 50. Admission ya mwaka wa 2024 inaendelea sasa. Fika shuleni humo katika barabara ya Kisii Marani, Riatwenya. Hurricane Academy, the future is here.